And our number 5 story on our countdown, Obamacare launch, Misfires.
Coming in at number 5 is the launch, or rather mislaunch, of the Affordable Care Act, better known as Obamacare. Originally signed into law by President Barack Obama on March 23, 2010, the Affordable Care Act promised to make health insurance affordable and accessible for all Americans. It promised to cover those with pre-existing conditions and keep kids on their families' policies until the age of 25. All worthwhile and commendable goals, except for one thing. So far, President Obama and Secretary of Human Health Services Kathleen Sebelius, who's in charge of implementing Obamacare, seem to have no idea how to get the job done.
Consider using our low-res website with simpler fonts and graphics.
From broken websites to broken promises.
If you like your doctor, you can keep your doctor. If you like your private health insurance plan, you can keep your plan. Period. Period. Period.
Healthcare.gov, which launched on October 1st, has been, well, a disaster, leading even strong supporters and President Barack Obama himself to express their disappointment.
And there's no sugarcoating it. The website has been too slow. People have been getting stuck during the application process. And I think it's fair to say that nobody's more frustrated by that than I am.
And while the president and his staff tried desperately to fix the website, and more importantly, to salvage what he views as his signature achievement, one thing is for sure. Obamacare, in its present form, is sickly and unhealthy. Is there a doctor in the house?
Is there a doctor in the house?
I'm a doctor.
What's up, Doc?